What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a follow-up on the Shine Armor graphene ceramic spray. And so it's been about maybe 3 going on 4 weeks since I applied the product onto the hood of the Charger. So we're just gonna check out and see if it has lasted this long. The last video I did, it was about 2.5 weeks out from application, and it was holding up just fine. And so hopefully it'll yield the same results soon. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, so we're back here with the car. As you see, I haven't washed it or touched it or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're going to wash it, and then we're going to see if it still has a protection from the Shine Armor graphene ceramic coating. As y'all can see, it's kind of taking that effect of sheeting, and over here it did bead a bit. You can tell they're kind of sheeting here as well. And over here, there's nothing of that going on because this side is the one that's coated with the graphene spray. So you could tell it's sheeting away. And so therefore there is protection on it. And it's just on its own. There you can tell it's starting to sheet away. Bigger dry area. Same over here. Right there. See that? Now on this side, there's nothing. Right here, it's starting to run off, and you can see where it's kind of running off. It's dripping there slowly, but it is dripping, and it is running off. So I want to go ahead and say that the graphene ceramic spray does work, and I'm very happy about that. You know, considering the fact that this car's out in the elements, here the sun hits it once for a few hours, you know, unfortunately, but you know, we're trying to run this test and see how the ceramic spray does work, and as far as I see, you know, it is working pretty good. So, you know, hats off to Shine Armor on this product. And I would assume if you keep your car in a garage and you put the ceramic spray, it should last a lot longer. Mind you, this is about a month already in total, I think, going on a month that the car has been out here. Probably 3.5 weeks maybe. So that means that, you know, once you dry the car, it should come off a lot quicker than if it didn't have any coating. And I mean, look, you can tell there's already dry spots coming up. Over here, nothing. Maybe that right there, but nothing. There's still water here, you can see that. So anyways guys, that concludes today's video. Just kind of wanted to do a follow-up on this product. I am very happy when I do review products from other manufacturers that actually work. I really appreciate the company, you know, for making a product that does work, because in the end, you know, you don't want to promote something that doesn't work and then you go told stuff on the channels. I've seen it happen before. So, you know, I am very happy with this product. Check it out. It's sheeting more as we're talking, and look at that. So and no dry spots. If you can see, you know, there's no dry, maybe very little, but nothing like if the car didn't have any protection. So I'm very pleased with that.